Let's spread some magic in the world. Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk. In today's video, I will be taking a look at the brand new Honor Magic 4 Pro. Let's begin by seeing what you get in the box. The lift in that lid with a nice slow reveal. We get to see our device for the first time. So Honor has two new colours for this device, and we have got the cyan colour, which is a blue effect. Also, it comes in black. Again, some nice satisfying peeling to take your protective cover off. And there you see the cyan blue. It's a really nice blue that subtly changes in the light and depending what the light source is shining on it. And like I said, the other option is black. Removing your protective tray, we will see our SIM tool that you'll get. This is a dual SIM model, so that's really helpful. Just to let you know, 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. So underneath, you're going to see your connection cable, USB-A to USB-C for syncing and charging your device. And this has a pretty much powerful option when it comes to wireless charging or charging via cable. So you can either use the 100-watt wireless charger here from Honor, or you could actually use the 100-watt wireless charger, which is also sold separately. Coming back to your box where you would find your paperwork normally, but with mine I haven't got that because this is a press review unit, but I do have a clear case which would add some level of protection to my device. It will also help to still see the cyan blue because it is clear. It's like a TPU material, just offers a little bit of protection. With the case on, it's now time to power on. The power button is down the right hand side. As you can see, we do have some fingerprints here, so it's time for a quick wipe. Just to let you know that this device is running Magic UI 6 based on Android 12. I will be making a separate setup video going through the process step by step, making it really easy for you to understand. I know many people are a pro and set up a device really quickly, but I know some people do need a hand. One thing I do want to point out here is the reading aid option. So accessibility settings are right here at the beginning stage, which is amazing to see. With our device now set up, it's time to share some key details and the key specs that you need to know before you make the perfect choice for you. It may be this device or it may be other devices, so please make sure to ask any questions you have by leaving a comment below underneath the like button. But let's carry on with the key details. So you've got two colours. You've either got black or you've got the beautiful cyan colour that we've got here that looks absolutely glorious in the sunlight that we've been having here in the UK at the moment. It's a really nice subtle blue that shifts and changes in the lights. When it comes to your display, you've got an Honor Full View 6.81 inch OLED display, which is curved, so it's curved around both edges. And it looks really nice and it subtly moves with you wherever you go, so images seem to just flow across the screen. Its resolution is 1312 by 2848 and its screen to body ratio is 93.5%. This means we're getting a lot more screen, very little body, and it just seems really nice and flows over the edge with that curved display. There's over 1 billion colours as well, so images will look lovely. All your colours will come through, it will look crisp and clear. Shifting into power and performance, so you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. There is no SD card storage option though available to this device, so that is your limit. You could use cloud storage if you want to. Your CPU is the Snapdragon 8th Generation 1. You've got an optical processor with variant speeds, and we'll go into greater detail when I bring you my review. Its GPU is Adreno 730. Its operating system is Magic UI 6, which is based on Android 12. It offers a 4,500 mAh battery, and that uses the Honor 100-watt supercharger. Also, you have the ability to charge your device wirelessly at 100 watts. That charger is sold separately, and I will add a link into the video description. It's a dual SIM model and is compatible with 5G. Shifting round to the rear of your device and talking about the rear camera, so we have a triple camera setup here. But the first thing you notice when you look at the device from the back is the symmetrical design, that you have the lens. So if you cut it in half straight down the lens, don't recommend doing that, but you've got a symmetrical design. So you've got a 15 megapixel wide camera with an f1.8 aperture, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera lens which has an aperture of f2.2. You've got then your 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera lens which has an aperture of 3.5. You've got 3.5 times optical zoom and 100 times digital zoom. With digital zoom, you may need to use a tripod. I will test this out and again bring the results in my review. It does have OIS, which is optical image stabilization on board, and 4K video recording. Turning our device round and looking at the front camera, it's a sort of a notch design towards the top left hand corner. You've got a 12 megapixel front facing camera with a 3D depth camera also. You've got 4K video recording on the front, which is really good to see, and 3D face unlock, as well as your in-screen fingerprint sensor. So those are the key details about your device, and I just want to share the key facts in this unboxing first impressions video. So I've had my device set up for a little while now before making this video, just to get the feel of it and see how it's working, and then I can share some first impressions. So first impressions, it's very fluid, very quick and very fast paced. I can open apps very quickly, move through the launcher very quickly and have no issues connecting. It feels very different to experience the gesture controls. The gesture controls seem to bounce a little bit. The subtle movement in them has seemed to have changed, but that's a nice effect. Or you could still have the 3 capacitive touch buttons if you wish. When it comes to accessibility, there are a wide range of accessibility options to change and adjust on here. Even as you see right at the beginning stage, there's many settings that you can change and adjust to make this device your own. However, I will be bringing a dedicated accessibility video, so make sure you hit subscribe, ring that notification bell to stay updated once I release new videos here on Ricky's Tech Talk. Leave a comment below letting me know what you would like to see. I don't want to just come up with content that I think is important to me. I want the audience, as you're watching this video, to let me know what you would like to see from my videos. I will be bringing a review. I'm very lucky to be going away soon, so I will take this device with me and get some lovely sunset shots and use it when I'm abroad. But from me, Ricky, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure to hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video all the way to this point. If you want to watch more content from Ricky's Tech Talk, check out these 2 videos here on the left hand side. And if you want to stay updated on all of my latest videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to be updated once I release new videos from Ricky's Tech Talk. From me, Ricky, thanks for watching and have a great day.